In this video, we're going to show you how to connect from one mobile device to another using the Iperius Remote Desktop App. First, make sure Iperius Remote is installed on both mobile devices. If not, you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or from Google Play for Android devices. Once the app is downloaded, open it on both devices. For this tutorial, we'll connect a smartphone to a tablet. On the mobile device you want to connect to, you will see an ID displayed in the app. This ID and password are needed to start the remote connection. Now, on the mobile device you are using to connect, enter the remote device ID and the password in the connection field. Tap the Connect Now button to start the remote session. The device receiving the connection may need to accept the request and authorize access. You may also see different warning messages designed to protect users from scams and unauthorized connections. Once the connection is established, you can view and interact with the remote mobile device directly from your screen. This makes it easy to provide support, access apps, or help someone remotely from anywhere.